So this kiln is a significant milestone for Arbor Wood Co's expansion. It allows us to produce some of the best products really in the world. Arbor Wood Co. is a manufacturer of thermally modified ThermoWood products. We're based here in beautiful St. Joe, Indiana, and we are the first and only U.S. member of the International ThermoWood Association. We couldn't grow anymore. We were bumping up against the limitations of our manufacturing operations. So this kiln is all about growth, and it really represents the first of what will be a multi-phase expansion project over the coming years, where we're set to really be not only a leader here in the United States, but a leader globally in ThermoWood. We decided to go with the absolute best-in-class kiln from our friends at Jartek. And Jartek was really instrumental in not only commercializing thermally modified wood products, but actually defining the global standard that we adhere to this day. And so for us, we want to be best in class, and Jartek really allows us to achieve that.
I'm Juuso Mäkelä from Jartek, Finland. Jartek manufactures and delivers thermal modification equipment in Finland and all over the world. Jartek kilns are best in the industry because we have a long experience of over 25 years. We've delivered almost 100 kilns around the world. The controllability of the process is very high quality, and also the end product is stable and environmental friendly. This is the first Jartek kiln of this scale that we deliver to US. It's a huge milestone for us. I see a huge potential and a huge market in here, and we're looking forward to build a long-lasting partnerships with the customers and with the industry.
One of our initiatives for 2025 and expanding into 2026 has been our membership in the International ThermoWood Association. And ThermoWood really means something. It is the gold standard by which thermally modified wood products are manufactured. And so for us, it's not only an accolade that we're very proud of, but there's an accountability component to it as well. Our manufacturing processes are audited every single year to make sure that we are producing product in accordance with the ThermoWood way, which really represents decades of research, decades of test data, and it's part of what makes Arbor Wood best in class. As this current expansion project is wrapping up, it represents really just the beginning of a new era for Arbor Wood Co. Investments beyond just the Jartek in automation, in safety, in quality assurance is positioning us to realize our goal of being the #1 ThermoWood brand in the United States.